today we are gonna see how far a bird can fly, I guess, with its wings clipped. Keyword clipped, not cut, clipped. Ready, set, go! Oh, Anna, no. Okay. Oh my. Let's try that again. God, it's Freddy's feisty one. Okay, let's try that again. Ready, set, go! Oh, don't land in my backyard. Oh my God. The thing landed near my cat's litter box. Come on, come. Okay, another round, and that's the last round for today. And we will do other videos next week. Okay? Last round. Ready, set, go! Ooh, that's good. It's next best height. Oh, it's trying to make a round foot. Oh no, it trips. Oh no, it's trying to get through the wheat field. Oh yes. Oh no. Oh, she got caught. Okay, this is the video for today. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.